Hi guys, so I'm excited to share with you a way that you are going to post a picture of your rainforest animal that you're researching for this project so that everyone in our class can see what your animal looks like. So let me show you what you'll do. I'm going to break it down for you step by step, okay? So in today's Google slide, it says post one picture of your animal on the Rainforest Animal Padlet. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And when you do, this blank screen will come up and it will say Rainforest Animals in the left-hand corner and show us the rainforest animal you are learning about. So you'll come down and you'll click on the pink, it looks like a little pencil down in the lower right-hand corner. So select that and then this will come up, okay? So I want to post a picture of my animal. Let me show you a really quick way I've discovered that you can do that, okay? Step one, click on these three little dots that are right here, and the words more will come up. So I'm going to click on those three little dots, okay? So some options here. Here is the easiest one. We're going to do a Google search for our animal. So we're going to come down to the blue, Google, select it. Over here, a search bar will appear. Let's type in the name of our animal. I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm doing a capybara again. All right, so I see all these pictures of capybaras that come up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this one. And when I do, it puts it in there for me, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the Padlet today, and everyone can see that I have posted this because my name is at the top. Your name should be at the top as well, okay? And you'll be able to go through and you'll be able to see what other rainforest animals friends in our class are researching, okay? I hope that helps you and gives you a quick, easy way to post a picture of your rainforest animal. Can't wait to see the gallery that we create. Have a great day, friends.